This is Rupes UNO Advanced, 250 milliliters, $17.99. Not a bad price. What is it? It's an all-in-one, and we have reviewed the original Rupes UNO on the channel. That wasn't a bad product. This is a more advanced version or an updated version with micro abrasives. Again, an all-in-one can correct and protect all in one fell swoop. Here's a test panel. As you can see, it's beat up. There's an area that has been corrected already, so we will overlap that with our test area and see if we can improve on that area with the Rupes UNO Advanced. Now, obviously, they would want you to team this up with their medium wool pad or the DA Ultrafine foam pads or the Ultrafine microfiber pads, which they're fantastic. I use them as well, but you don't have to. You could team it up with your Fiber 50/50 pad if you wanted to, or many others. It's very oily, so there's going to be some filling capabilities as well as the protection left behind. I'm not sure exactly what that is. My guess would be polymer based. So we're going to put a couple dots on the Eurofiber pad, and we're just going to do a crisscross pattern on the test hood in this test area. Up and down, then left and right. We're going to have the polisher between the third and the fourth speed setting. Correction speed, obviously, that's an inch or two movement every second or two. And that speed gives the pad and the polish time to do its work, yet not slow enough where it overheats the area or the section you're working on. I also want you to keep in mind before we go any further that these products with the all-in-ones, they're not the most fantastic when it comes to the protection within. I know this product here boasts of 12 months, and some others do as well. Quite honestly, you're not going to find that in the real world. We are breaking down the protection as we're doing correction. We're not just wiping on protection with an applicator pad or with a wax or application or fine pad. This is pretty much doing correction. You're spiking temperatures a little bit. You're using a pad that can not only break down clear coat, but it unintentionally breaks down some of the protection within. I hope that makes sense. So don't expect a ton of protection in these products. In some of these, you can expect a huge turnaround. We'll see if this gives us a huge turnaround in that area with little effort whatsoever. But you would use that protection as a foundation layer, and then when it cures properly, you can add to it. And that's where you would get the ultimate benefits from a product like this. Cure time with this, by the way, is only 4 hours. Not bad at all. Quick tip, shake up the bottle between every pass, or every time you pick up the bottle to load up the pad. This will give you results in a rather impressively quick time, and I can tell you it's user-friendly for the most part. This is something I would not use in direct sunlight or extreme heat, and can be overworked at a certain point. You do anything more than what I do on this test panel here, it may start to get hard to wipe off, and it may really break down that protection to be pretty much null and void. That will do. I'm going to stop right there and wipe off the residue and see how easy or hard it is to wipe off. For the most part, it's user-friendly. No problem at all. There are some areas, let me bring you in close. If I would have overworked this any further, it would probably be hard to wipe off on soft clear coat. Not bad at all. With the masking tape removed, we don't need a swirl finder to see the work and the turnaround that we have in this test section. Fantastic. For the little effort that we have, is it perfect? No, it's not going to go after and remove and correct deep imperfections. It's not made to do that. It's made to do just what you see here, an enhancement and a one-step, lay down protection. You can get all of this done quickly and spend more time enjoying your car than working on it. I'm a little excited and looking forward to using it more. Look what it does for this red. That metallic just stands out and pop. Even the area that was corrected beforehand, it has made a very impressive improvement. So I look forward to using it more. Is it perfect? No. No product ever is. But we've done this and just look, a couple microns removed. And that's exactly the goal in paint correction. Get as much of a turnaround and result as you can without removing any measurable clear whatsoever. Look at the jump in gloss. That's impressive as well. Slickness, it's a little bit of an improvement. Water behavior, it sheets. Keep that in mind. This is not a beater here with a high contact angle. This is what I would prefer, the sheets. But I need to remind you, this will not last very long. I really doubt this would get the 12 months that it boasts it can do. Maybe in some situations. I'm not saying it can't. I just personally doubt it. But you can top it, and I'm going to show you at the end of the video with a product you can top it with after it cures in 4 hours to really boost that protection layer. So let's do the 10 wash test, see how far we get. After a handful of washes, as expected, the protection is wearing down, and I expected nothing less. And it's not the strength of this product, and I'm not knocking it. I would give the correction portion of this product a 9 out of 10, and the protection I would give a 3 or 4 out of 10. But let's go on inside and let me show you how you can team it up with something. So the Uno Advanced, and then top it with Tak Huang Wax, which is another sheeter, and you would have a fantastic team. Hope it helps. This has been Brian from Apex Detail. Catch you in the next video.